So guys, in this video we are going to solve some multiple choice question based on theory of machines. Those are asked in SSC JE 2013 question paper. So let's see how they are making questions in 2013 paper. So first question, they are asking for a helical spring index is. So remember guys, spring index is the ratio of mean coil diameter to the wire diameter. So remember option number D is the correct option for this question, because spring index is the ratio of mean coil diameter to wire diameter. Now in question number 2 they are asking for helical gears, the helix angle generally ranges from. So in helical gears, the helix angle, the angle of tooth and the shaft is between 30 to 45 degrees. So remember this, option number A is the correct option for this question. Now in question number 3, in case of slotting machine, the cutting action takes place in forward stroke, downward stroke and backward stroke or upward stroke. So remember guys, in slotting machine, the cutting action takes place in forward stroke. So option number A is the correct option for this question. Now in question number 4, they are asking, in a single pivot welds, the angle between edge is kept about. So in option number A they are given 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 70 to 90 and 10 to 12, 20. So in a single V butt welds, the angle between edges is kept about 20 to 40 is the correct option for this question, because in a single V butt welds the angle between edges is 20 to 40. So remember this point. Now in question number 5 they are asking, the crank radius of a slider crank mechanism is 10 centimeter. If the crank radius is increased to 12 centimeter, the stroke length will increase by. So remember guys, for this question, as you know, what is the net increase. So here the radius of slider crank mechanism is 10 centimeter. Now that is 12 centimeter. So minus of 12 to 10 is 2. Now multiply it by 10, we will get 20%. The stroke length will increase, so stroke length will increase by 20% by multiplying 10. So that's how we can solve this numerical. This is very simple numerical. Now in question number 6 they are asking, a clutch is the best mean to connect a driving shaft with a driven shaft for a regular power transmission. So that is correct. And in R they are given, a clutch can be frequently engaged and disengaged at operator's will. So that is also correct, but R is not the correct definition and not the correct reason for A. So option number D is the correct option for this question, because both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. So option number D is the correct option. Now in question number 7 they are asking, a spur gear with pitch circle diameter D has number of teeth T, the module M is defined as. So remember guys, we can calculate module by dividing D by T, diameter of pitch circle and the teeth of the gear. So option number A is the correct option for this question. Now in question number 8 they are asking, a ball and socket joints forms a. So a ball and a socket joint forms a. So a ball and socket can be form spherical pairs. So option number C is the correct option, because they cannot form rolling pairs, sliding pairs and turning pairs. They can only form spherical pairs, because ball is a sphere. So option number C is the correct option for this question. So that's how they are making question, very easy questions. Now in question number 9, the thickness of a boiler plate is 16 mm. The diameter of the rivet used in the boiler joint is. So how we can calculate the diameter of the rivet? So I already tells you the formula, and the formula is equal to 6 under root t. If you remember the formula, then they are given the value of t 16 mm, which is the thickness of boiler plate. So now by putting all of these values we can calculate the diameter of rivet. So we will get 24 as the answer, which is the correct option. Now in question number 10 they are asking, Levis equation in spur gear designed design is applied to. So remember guys, Lewis equation in spur gear design is applied to weaker of the pinion or gear. So we are using Lewis equation because of weaker of the pinion or gear. So option number C is the correct option for this question. Now in question number 11 they are asking degree of freedom of a slider crank mechanism is. So remember guys, in slider crank mechanism we get only one type of movement, so there is only one degree of freedom for a slider. So option number A is the correct option for this question. Now in question number 12 they are asking the reaction between number of lower pair and the number of link L in a 4 link kinematic chain is given by. So we can give the relation between L and P is equal to L is equal to 2P minus 4 is the correct option. So remember guys, this is very important because we can ask they can ask question for calculating the number of link or can be number of lower pairs. So we have to apply this formula L is equal to 2P minus 4 for calculating such type of questions. So option number D is the correct option for this question. Now in question number 13 they are asking the differential gear in the automobile is used to. So we are using differential gear for helping in turning. When we are using differential gear when any car is turning. So option number A is the correct option for this question because that is the only uh, reason of using differential gears, because we can turn our vehicle at turning points. So option number A is the correct option for this question. Now in question number 14 they are asking which of the following gear system have minimum axial thrust. So as we know guys, for minimum axial thrust we are using double helical gears because this axial thrust can be controlled by using double helical gears. So option number C is the correct option for this question. And now the last question they are asking a sliding bearing which can support steady loads without any relative motion between the journal and the bearing is called. So for this question option number C is the correct option. Hydrodynamic lubricating bearing can be used for this question. So option number C is the correct option for this question. I hope you understood all of these questions. If you have any doubt then please comment below. And that is the way of making questions. So remember guys, basics for every questions. If you don't understood basics in previous videos, then you can understood by using this MCQ questions and by practicing this MCQ questions. If you want more MCQ questions then please visit robojala.com. Here I am uploading every day some multiple choice question based on SSC JE and GATE syllabus. And for more video please subscribe my channel Make Ujala so that you will get notification of every video.